This little guy with the underbite is a very picky eater, but we're going to see if he'd like some turkey. He likes turkey.
But he won't take his pills.
He won't take his pills. Maybe we have to hide his pills in turkey. This guy wants to be home for Thanksgiving because he will clean your floor for you. That purple tongue and that underbite. What do you think? Can you show us that purple tongue? What a pretty face. All right, let me try and get some... buddy. Anything you'd like to tell us or show us? There's that blue tongue. He enjoys turkey and tushy rubs. That feels good, huh? You don't love